Place my hands under the shoulder. So I'm spreading the fingers wide. Press the base of the fingers into the ground and also the tips of my fingers, so this knuckle is just slightly off the floor. Rotate my arm forward so my elbows come into line, so not elbows out, my elbows are back here. Grip the ground, and then I'm just going to simply hold this position, just leaning forward. So if my palm is coming out that way, I'm going too far. I just want this way, I'm going to hold it for 30 seconds. And if it's easy, you'll just come up, you'll come more past with the shoulders. Gripping the fingers the whole time, pressing into the floor, and rotating the elbows back. I'm also squeezing my arms together as I do it. Additionally, I can start adding circles, and very slowly. I might do 5 or 6 in one direction, and I can do 5 or 6 in the other direction. So next is I'm going to reverse the hands. So I'm going to place the hands flat on the floor this way. Again, spread the fingers, grip the ground, straighten the elbows, drop the shoulders, and I'm just leaning back. Again, I want to work the back of the hand too. So place my hands on the floor, bring my shoulders over my hands, lay the fingers on the floor, and I'm pressing out this way, trying to straighten my arms. If you're more flexible, you can bring your hands out more. If it hurts, or you're not as flexible, you bring your hands in this way. I'll switch on both sides, flat or this way. Come this way forward, so in that position. If it's painful, you're going too far too soon, so be careful of that. I grab my own wrist, place my hand here, and I'm going to push forward and away at diagonal. So I push, get a really nice stretch in the back of the wrist. Under my knee, and I simply squat, and now I'm essentially massaging my wrist. My fingers are relaxed. Here. Just hold it. Place my feet on my wrists. I'm essentially standing on my own hand. I can massage my wrist with my toes. So there are some stretches to help your wrists.